Hello, veterans. So, with another analysis, today's video, as you can see, the market is quite not in a very good situation. Yeah, it's not in a very good situation, and I just usually try the price. I'll start by putting some support and resistance level because the support and resistance level are usually the best right now. It's better to use them right now because you quite need them. Here's my support and resistance level. As you can see that to place your support and resistance level, recent data is much more matters now. Don't use the past data to place your support and resistance because as you can see this is still our resistance level, but we can use this to determine now recent data usually matters. And some ask don't place on the week because in the week is just an area placed on the body. Place here just below the body because that's where we have a support and resistance level. We can confirm with support and resistance level because we had a body bounce, which matters more than a weak bounce. We have a weak bounce here, and also we have a weak bounce here and a body bounce here. So it's quite like it's very much a support and resistance area. So our analysis yesterday, we predicted to look for a bullish move. We had a bullish move in this, but I didn't expect that it was this. So my analysis was not very, unless someone was scalping, was not very correct. But if you entered, you could have closed with profit, and also, but if you hold, your stop loss could have been hit. So I hope anyone didn't trade yesterday because I also said in the video that it's not a good time to trade the V75. I usually look for reversals in the trends like this. So anyway, let's look today's analysis. Yesterday's analysis was quite for a very small move, like we just predicted this bullish move, which is not very good. So also we are still in an uptrend, though what the market is trying to do here, the market is trying to go down. The market is trying to go down. Yesterday I said that we have a reversal here. We had a reversal where I said when you see a bullish engulfing pattern enter. So if somebody entered here, he could have waited and just very minimum like 1 hour hold on the profit. Then and if your stop loss was here, if you hold this trade, sorry for that. If you could have held the trade, your stop loss could have hit. But if you just cap the trade, it could have been, you could have some profit. But anyway, let's deal with today. As you can see, the market is starting like to form a downtrend now, but we are still in an uptrend. So it's starting to form a downtrend. Anyway, I'm looking for a bullish move now. I'm looking for a bullish move and I'm looking for both moves. I see whatever will come, like we'll use whatever move we will have. Because if I was looking for a bullish move, I usually just look for pullbacks. As you know, my past analysis, I usually look for pullbacks. Veterans, I usually look for pullbacks. So if I was looking for a pullback here to utilize this downtrend, I could have waited for this pullback and bought some place here just below the bullish pullback candle here. Would have sell here, and my sell was quite here. So if you're in a minor downtrend, always look for pullbacks, and that's what we are looking. And especially that now we're in a support and resistance area, you want to look for them very much. So take note of this. where we today we just be scalping, like we will just be scalping the market, because if you're looking for a move right now, here there could have been your move where could have, if you entered here, your first take profit could have been here, and you could have locked profits, and your second take profit is supposed to be here. So we are still not in that area, so just looking for pullbacks. So now we're looking for a reversal. If this price goes above this area, the last low high, we know that there will be a reversal, then we are looking for a bullish move. But if the price breaks, if the price breaks this support and resistance level, and we have a pullback like this, guys, I usually post these pullbacks. If I were looking for pullbacks, I will post in the channel, so stay tuned. But if you have a pullback here, we'll confirm a downtrend if the price breaks below the support area, we have a pullback. In case for the, okay, let me show you a perfect example. Let's say we have the price broke the support right here. We are still in a support area, so the price is still in a support area and resistance area, so we cannot make a move just after this candle, after a break here. No, we can't. You have to put your a rectangle here to mark a congestion area. So a break, sorry, supposed to be, don't put in the body, put below the lowest candle. So you wait for a break, like if the price breaks here, wait for it, wait for a pullback, and a pullback is usually marked. Now people, oh, okay, how do you know it's a pullback? A pullback is usually marked by a, for a downtrend, if your market is in downtrend, and your pullback is usually marked by a bullish, a very good, a big, a very long bullish candle. So for instance, here we had a downtrend, right? Okay, where's the pullback? We cannot say pullback is this. So this is marked by a bullish, a long bullish candle. So you're supposed to buy, not here, guys. You wait for a bullish candle to close. You wait for a bullish candle to close, the pullback candle. Then if the price goes above, doesn't affect you, because your buy stop, or your sell stop, sorry, is supposed to be just few pips below the wick of the bullish candle. So in case here, if we had a break, this is the perfect example we can choose today. So if you had a break here, you're supposed to, this is the major, this is not a pullback, guys. This is not a, it's just a bullish candle here. Okay, this is not a pullback here. This is not a pullback. A pullback is this candle here. So we are supposed to place here just below. Let me go to a smaller time frame now. Okay, just below the last, like we have a reversal pattern here, the last the week of the bullish at the bullish pullback. So here you are supposed to place here. So we're down, if but the price, you are supposed to place just few pips below the bullish reversal. So here you're supposed to play, if you are supposed to press down, the market could have gone down. If it broke your level, then it could have triggered your sell stop, but it didn't, because it came exactly to the same level as the bullish pullback candle. So that's what we're going to do today. Here we're going to look for pullback. Now we're in a 15, I believe we're in a 30 minutes time frame, which is very good for entry. 30 minutes, 15 minutes, but your analysis, you can use 1 hour, which is usually the best for analysis for me. And for my entries, I usually place my entries in the 15 minutes or the 30 minutes. So when let me rotate the screen here so that you can see very well. Okay, You see now, guys, in case we are looking for a move here, now we know that we are in another uptrend generally, but we're in a minor downtrend here, so we want to look for a move. So a move here is supposed to place just few pips below here, this bullish pullback candle. So if you're triggered there, you could have gone and hold it. Now we're having a pullback because we're in a support and resist. We are the support. Now these will go up, but I'm not quite sure because I think it's just that it's just a bullish, a bullish candle. It's just a bullish candle because in 1 hour you can see that, yeah, you are supposed to play. Like if we have another bullish candle here, or if this bullish candle is long enough, we know that's a pullback candle. So wait for the candle to finish, but you can know because you can use the 1 hour to determine how long is the candle for the pullback. Like we had here, you can see how long there is. So this can just be some candle starting, but it can still be a bullish move here. So wait for it to close. After it closes, now you can know that okay, it was a bullish reversal, bullish pullback. Now you can draw your rectangle, but I believe your sell stop is supposed to be just below the bullish candle. So take note of that. That now we're in a reversal pattern. Don't use the 4 hour to determine the pullback. Use the 1 hour time frame or the 30 minutes time frame. So anyway, that's all we're going to do for today. Like we are looking for pullbacks, guys, for moves, we're looking for pullbacks. But know this: if this price goes above this last low high and we have a retest of some kind, we'll be in a reversal. We'll be in an uptrend again, like a bullish move. But if there's a pullback here and also which is going, I can see it, and any break below the pullback will be in bullish, in a bearish move. So stick that to your mind. So that's all about the analysis and everything. We don't have I cannot use chart patterns right now because I just used the support and resistance for today. So that's all.